This month for Athletic Flow we're doing sprints. Now we're keeping the sprints as a separate movement to really focus on technique with some good rest in between. We've got 3 lanes here, 16 meters, so just working people 4 lengths of the room and then they take a rest. So it's fairly quick, it's like 15 seconds of loading to 30 seconds max if they're just kind of jogging it. But just really trying to work on that technique, getting that nice line, opposite elbow, opposite knee. When you're doing it, trying to make sure that you're not crossing your body with your arms, your legs, your knees are coming up nice and high. So you get a sprint start either with a 3-point or a 4-point start. You can just do a 2-point start. But you're just trying to make sure that when you're coming out, that you're getting that opposite arm and leg and getting into a nice stride. Usually when you're starting out, you're a bit lower, and then as you speed up, you'll come out and get a bit more upright. So if I'm here in this position, like that, I'm going to drive out left knee and right elbow, and then I'm going to go into my sprint from there. So I'm leaning over, bam. Really trying to stay nice and light on the balls of the feet, and getting that nice power. You're just getting 4 quick lengths, and then having a nice rest. So the sprint pattern is really important to do. Like if you can't sprint, you can just work on a walking knee. You're good. So if something in the chain's not healthy, or if you can't sprint, but you can just do a little hop. That's cool, like that. But yeah, keeping them short, sharp, and explosive. Getting 4 sets of those done. So yeah, if you want to film it from front on and from side on to see technique and to give us some footage to look at. See you soon.